leaves floating in the sky, lightning going crazy. It's only a third of a mile away at this point. We are nearing the eye of the thunderstorm. We are nearing the limit. If one of these trees gets set ablaze, I swear. Water got in my eye. The wind seems to have died away slightly. Still just not as rainy anymore, so we've gone through that phase, but we are definitely in the eye. Things aren't as bad in every way but lightning. Oh. I think that wasn't. That's not good at all. Alright. I'm hearing constant rumbling. The rain's picking up slightly. There's puddles everywhere. The leaves are falling. And let's just see when the next bout of thunder happens. Oh, yes. Why is that bird going up? Alright, we seem to be getting away from the thunderstorm. I'm recording this in the safety of my home. And just so you know. All hell's breaking loose. The winds aren't as bad anymore. Did that tree just get set on fire? The thunder's getting closer! The thunder's coming more, less of a rumble and more of a crack. It's getting closer now. The clouds are honestly affecting the sound and its speed. Ah, great, more thunder. We have not seen things as bad as this for years. I can just think. I think the rains have partially stopped. The winds have definitely died down a lot. Although it does look like the clouds aren't going away anytime soon. We'll need to think about that a bit. First dinner's almost ready. This is terrible. This is honestly terrible. This thunderstorm is the worst we've had in a while. I think it's the worst I've ever recorded. If you want to know what colour the sky looks like, it's this, but way, way darker. I feel lucky that you can actually see everything here. I feel lucky you can actually see everything here. This is as close to the colour I can. Seems like we haven't had any thunder in quite a while. But 10 seconds step out. Just for the real effect. Yeah, I think this is how the cavemen felt when they why are they flying so low now? It's raining. The winds aren't as bad anymore, but there's definitely some electrical charge that could be leading to a terrible fire. Right. It was never meant to be that loud. Staying around the same distance. The wind's crazy. Source of raindrops. That's a serious problem. I can see them. And there's more thunder. More lightning. I have to get closer to a rumble. Alright, the rain's picking up. If I was in there, I'd straight up just run home. Going back to the house. That's a prime target. This is the reason why they have. It was actively getting darker, the rain was getting heavier. I could see the rain actually. It was visible to the naked eye. The smallest rain particles were flooding the camp. Closer than ever before. This is serious. We are in. I think we might be nearing the centre of the storm, where all the drama is happening. Oh, huge journalist. Who comes up behind this for warmth? What he doesn't forget is to keep recording all the time. Apparently, it's unable to see through this. Instant I apply this rail, it can't see anything. See a what? That's my attribute. The end. Oh my god, I might go outside right now. And the light blue smoke above, then fell below. I was in the ground. No, Max, the rain's still as bad as it was. Whoa, the rod. Deeper in they crept, oblivious of the beers and darker tale. How did they dare? I was in the ground, in the fountain of infinite. practically no wind. And we aren't moving in the thundercloud. It's all the same.